Alright guys, welcome back to this channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to prove 0 factorial equals to 1. Now oftentimes we know that 0 factorial is equals to 1 because we were told, but really we have not been able to show how to prove this assertion. So in this video I'm going to be using gamma function. And gamma function, let me just say that for your level now watching this video, if you are just a beginner, gamma function is given by this symbol you can see on the screen. Okay, that is gamma function. Okay, this is how the sign is given. Okay, so the formula is given that the integral from 0 to infinity t raised to the power x minus 1 exponential minus t dt. That's basically what gamma function is. And if I want to find the gamma of x, it means I'm going to subtract 1 and I'll find the factorial. So we want to do 0 factorial. So what that would imply is that my x would be 1. If I should put 1 here, suppose I have 1 here minus 1, that's the same thing as 0, and that's 0 factorial, and that's exactly what you want to do in this video. Okay, so in that case I am going to consider the gamma of 1. Okay, that's exactly what I'm going to do. So let's solve from there. Okay, so now I want to get the gamma of 1, which is leading to a 0 factorial. So the gamma of 1 will now be, anywhere I can see x, I'll replace it with 1. So that is integral from 0 to infinity, okay, of t raised to power 1 minus 1 e raised to power minus the t minus t dt. Okay, and that's exactly the integral of 0 to infinity t raised to power 0 and exponential minus t dt. All right, and t raised to power 0, of course, this one here is 1. So I would have the gamma of 1, which of course is the same thing as 1 minus 1 factorial, which is 0 factorial, right, is equal to the integral of 0 to infinity and e raised to power minus t. So we are close to our answer. So e 0 factorial will now be, if I should integrate exponential minus t with respect to t, because we have the t, which means I'm going to differentiate this guy here. Okay, I'm going to differentiate that, and of course that's going to be minus 1, right? I multiply it with exponential of minus t, then I'm going to have exponential minus t, then with a differential, that's minus, starting from 0 to where? To infinity. And that's all. Okay, so let's clear this place so we can have some spaces. Okay, so I want to solve this. So 0 factorial will now be what? Minus e raised to the power minus infinity, right? Then minus the lower bound, which is minus e raised to power 0. Is that okay? So 0 factorial is equal to, so e raised to power minus infinity is obviously 0, minus minus e raised to power 0 is 1, because e raised to power 0 in this case, except 0 and infinity is 1. Okay, so 0 factorial is 0 plus 1, and 0 plus 1 is what? Is 1. So therefore, using gamma function, we've been able to prove that 0 factorial is equal to 1. All right, thanks for watching, and make sure you like, share, and also subscribe to this channel so you can see more videos as they drop.